here's what to do to rebuild a strategy that fits you without throwing everything away. Firstly, let me emphasize that the answer is not to do more, tempting as that may feel. It's to come back to your value sweet spot and rebuild from there. Your value sweet spot is the overlap between what makes you unique and valuable and what your ideal client truly needs. So we're looking for that overlap, and that highlights your strengths, which might be empathy, clarity, or deep thinking. And your clients may crave calm, thoughtful guidance. So short form video or hype style messaging will never feel natural to you if that is the case. But when you start from this value sweet spot, your marketing becomes clear, grounded, and sustainable. It starts to become obvious what is the right strategy, the right channels, the right message, and the right delivery for your message that's going to feel natural to you and resonate and connect with your dream clients. So instead of doing more, I want you to choose fewer tactics and go deeper. You don't have to be on 10 platforms and do everything. You just need one aligned place where you can show up consistently and create that smooth path towards your business. And as you grow your team and resources, you can expand that reach, but just start with one. If you love writing, go all in on LinkedIn and your blog or newsletter. If you prefer conversations, choose podcasts and collaborations. And if you enjoy teaching, look to run regular workshops and events. Visibility is not about being everywhere. It's about showing up in the right place with the right message and energy so you can connect with the right people. And for most small businesses, the right people isn't hundreds of thousands of people, but a small handful. So choosing those smaller, more aligned strategies can attract those clients faster and in a way that feels more personal to you and them and echoes that experience and that value that you are going to deliver for them. And it's key to also align your strategy with your life and your energy. Your strategy should feel realistic within the life you actually have.